I'm going to take you through how to integrate Zoom with the InfloKit app. Now, this integration will enable you to sell webinars as well as Zoom meetings through your Shopify shop. So the first thing you do is go to settings, then go to Zoom integration, then click connect. Now this one will direct you to the Zoom login page, and then after your successful login, you'll be taken to this screen. Now you have to click this, then this, allow. Now we'll be taken back to our Zoom application on the Shopify app, and this will now reload, and now we'll be able to create Zoom webinars as well as meetings. So let me just open a course, and I'm going to add a Zoom meeting to the course. So the first step is I go here, and then I select this. Then I'm going to say this is let's say test Zoom. Let's call it test Zoom meeting. Then this is the email reminder that will be set up, that will be sent to people who purchase the Zoom meeting. And we normally have 3 email reminders, and one is 1 hour before the start of the Zoom meeting, another one day before the start, and the other one is 1 week before the start date. Now you can also set up the Zoom meeting to be, the recording to be available either through the cloud or none. This is the password your users will use and the duration of the meeting. Once that is done, what you need to do is you publish your course, and once your course is published, then this will be, the status of this will be updated to either published or not published.